creating fractions with unlike denominators. And for the first one, I'm going to do it with pictures. First, I need to find the least common denominator of 3 and 6. The least common denominator is the same thing as the least common multiple with fractions. I don't write the first three multiples of 3, which are 3, 6, and 9. Then the first three multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18. If I look at this, my least common denominator or least common multiple is 6. Now, I'm going to draw my pictures. 1/3. I'm going to divide my circle into 3 parts because that's what my denominator tells me. And I'll shade 1 out of those 3 parts because that's what my numerator tells me. And then over here, I'm going to divide this into 6 parts because that's what my denominator tells me. And I'm going to shade 1 part. Now, up here you will see that my least common denominator is 6. So, since this one's already divided into 6 parts, I'm going to divide this one into 6 parts. And if you look, I have 2 parts colored over here and 1 part colored over here. I'm going to add my numerators, 2 plus 1, and my denominator stays the same. Now, if I look at 3 and 6, I know that they have a common factor. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3, because 3 is a prime number. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. The common factor is 3, and that's the greatest. So I'm going to divide by 3 because I am reducing. You need to divide the numerator and denominator by the same thing. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And that's the answer that I found using my pictures. Now, over here, I'm going to do it without using pictures. If you remember from the beginning, my least common denominator is 6. So I'm going to put my 6 here. My 6 here. Now, I can't just go from 3 to 6 and not do anything. I multiplied by 2. And if I do it on the bottom, I have to do it on the top. So 1 times 2 is 2. Now, from 6 to 6, I just multiply by 1. So I multiply by 1 up here. 1 times 1 is 1. Now, I have a new problem. 2, 6 plus 1, 6. I add my numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3. Keep my denominator, 6. Then I know that 3 and 6 have a common factor of 3. I'm going to divide by 3 over 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. These two answers